side, brush the right side, then the left, then the left.
Oh.
Mommy! Daddy! I'm ready to brush my teeth.
Oh, sorry, Michaela, 1 second.
Daddy cut his finger washing the dishes. But it's okay, I'm going to put a Band-Aid on it. What does a Band-Aid do? That's right, a Band-Aid covers a boo-boo so it doesn't get worse.
Oh. I want to be brave like Daddy. Can I have a Band-Aid too?
Of course.
Okay.
Ooh.
Mwah.
Thank you.
All right, time to brush your teeth.
Michaela, what color is your toothbrush?
Orange.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Is this orange? No.
That's blue.
It's blue. Oh, that's Daddy's toothbrush. Is this one orange? No, it's green. Oh, that's my toothbrush. What about this one? Is this one orange?
Yes.
Yes, this is Michaela's toothbrush.
Thank you, Mommy.
Okay, we like to sing a song when we brush our teeth, so everyone grab some toothpaste and your toothbrush. Sing with us. Brush the right side, brush the right side, then the left, then the left. Then we brush the tongue, then we brush the tongue. We're all done, we're all done.
Yeah, let's sing that one more time. Everybody grab your toothbrushes. Here we go.
Brush the right side, brush the right side, then the left, then the left. Then we brush the tongue, then we brush the tongue. We're all done, we're all done.
Mommy, Daddy, can we swallow the toothpaste?
No. We have to rinse the toothpaste out of our mouths first. So everyone, grab a cup of water, take a sip, swish it around, and spit it in the sink.
All clean.
All clean.
Time for my lullaby.
Oh, right. You go ahead to your bedroom and we'll be there.
All right. Bye-bye.
Brush the right